popular church in Bicol that located in the city of Naga. So come join and enjoy us.
The Naga Metropolitan Cathedral Church was established on 1595, but the present of cathedral was built in 1808 and was completed and consecrated in 1843. This church was built on 1843. This is the ground of church. As you can see, this is a fresh air or fresh place that you can encounter in this church. This is the history of this church that you can read in outside of this church. This is the inside of the church. As you can see, this is a holy place that you can pray at all time. At this time, I remember that they have one more popular church in Bicol that same located in Naga. That was a church of Basilica that Piña Francia or Ina have located. So we will go to the church of Basilica and enjoy.
Hello guys, here we go again. So now I'm here in the one of the famous church in Bicol. So but before that, I forgot a while ago to introduce myself. So my name is Edward Matthew Piras. So but before that, this church was built the year of 1982. So this church celebrate the Piña Francia in the month of September. And that's all. So let's go guys! Watch and enjoy! Guys, I'm here in the front of the door of this church, the Basilica Church. So, but before we come inside, we silence because they have mass. So, I will video na lang. So guys, we are going to the altar of Ina or the Lady Piña Francia. So this church, we are here in the documentary on this church. So like this, the story of Bicolano love for the Blessed Virgin Mary. So we go to up now. So this is the altar of Ina, our Lady Piña Francia. So this is the we are here in the prayer to the Virgin of Pino Francia. And then we go to the altar of Saint Peter. This is the Bicol version of the prayer of Virgin Pino Francia. And then this is the altar of Jesus Christ. Alright guys, that's all.
This is our vlog for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Thank you.